Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to see what is the default value assigned to a float variable in Java. Now, for example, if you see this variable number, which is of type float and is in class default demo int, right? So, for this float variable, we have not assigned any value. Generally, what we do is we assign value something like this, 12f, to represent that this is a float number. So, this is how we assign a value whenever we declare any variable. But suppose you have not assigned any value to this variable float, it remains unassigned, and then if you try to print the value of that variable, then what would be the value printed on the screen? This is something which is known as a default value, and the default value is assigned by the compiler in case the programmer forgets or does not assign any value to the variable. So in this case, we see that we are trying to print this value. So in order to print it, we have to call this print value method from this tutorials in hand class, right? So we know that if we have to call any method of other class which is of type non-static, then we have to create the object of that class. So that is what we are going to do. Let's give a reference name. It can be anything like demo, demo1, or you can have it with your name, whatever you want, and then invoke constructor using new keyword for default demo int, and thus we have created the object of this class. Now we have a reference demo. We can use this reference to call the methods or variables of default demo int class. So now let's call print value method, invoke dot operator, write pri few letters, and then you will be shown the suggestion that there is a print value method present in the class default demo int. Click on it and you have got the method call. So from here, if you press Ctrl and click on it, it will take you to the place that is getting called, and thus it shows that from line number 16 you will be redirected to this place print value that is at line number 7, and whatever is written within the body of this method will get printed. So in this case, within the whole process, we do not assign any value to this variable. So let's see what is the value that would get printed, and that is known as default value. So as we see over here, 0.0 is assigned to it by compiler, and that is the default value which any float variable will bear if it does not have any value assigned to it. So just to be sure, let's create another float variable named num, and let's try to print its value as well. For example, let's have another print statement. Value num is, it will differentiate between the two outputs, and we will be able to understand what is the value for each output. So let's execute again, and you see value is 0.0. This is coming for the number variable, that is the first variable, and value num is 0.0. This is coming for the num float variable. So it does not matter how many variables you create for float type, if you do not assign it any value, it will be assigned with a default value 0.0. So next time, if you see that you are getting 0.0 for any float variable and you expected the value something different, then you should get aware at that instant that you have either forgot to assign it the correct value, and that is why it is showing you the default value. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.